Okay, first things first. Get acquainted with cashback and rewards apps. It's like finding money on the street. Apps like CRED, MagicPin, Paytm, they got your back. Make a purchase, get cashback. UPI apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, rewards galore. Those rupees add up, enough for a bonus samosa. Download a few, save cash, you can thank me later. Let's talk about something we Indians do right shopping during sales. We can sniff out a discount like nobody's business. Diwali, Republic Day, Holi, there's a sale for everything. But the king of them all? Flipkart's Big Billion Days. It's like the Black Friday of India. 50, 60, even 70% off. But be patient. Make a list, set a budget, and stick to it. Patience can save you a lot of money. Okay, this is a hack that a lot of people overlook, but it's a good one. Your bank and credit cards are not just for swiping and hoping you don't max them out. They're also your secret weapons for saving money. Seriously, banks are constantly coming out with special discounts and offers, especially for online shopping. HDFC, SBI, ICCI, they're all in on the action. You can find deals on everything from groceries to travel to electronics. And the best part is, you're already using these cards anyway, so why not take advantage of the perks? Now I know what you're thinking. Jivu, how am I supposed to keep track of all these offers? It's too much. Don't worry, my friend, I got you. Most banks have a dedicated section on their website or app where they list all their current offers. You can also sign up for email or SMS alerts so you never miss a deal. Trust me, it's worth taking a few minutes to check out your bank's offers before you make a purchase. You might be surprised at how much money you can save. Okay, this one should go without saying, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this step. Never, ever, ever buy something online without comparing prices first. Seriously, it's like throwing money away. Luckily for you, we live in the age of the internet where comparing prices is easier than ever. There are tons of websites and apps out there that do all the hard work for you. Price Deco, My Smart Price. These are your new best friends. You just enter the product you're looking for, and boom, they show you the prices from all the major online retailers. No more wasting time clicking through a million different websites. No more wondering if you're getting the best deal. These price comparison tools do it all for you. So the next time you're about to hit that buy button, take a deep breath and compare prices first. Your wallet will thank you. Alright, let's get real for a second. We all have those things we buy over and over again. Rice, dal, shampoo, that weird snack you're obsessed with. Buying these things individually is like throwing money away. Enter the magic of buying in bulk. Buy a giant bag of rice once and you're set for months. No more running to the store every other week. Plus, you usually get a discount when you buy in bulk. And let's talk about coupons. Remember those little pieces of paper our parents used to clip out of newspapers? Well, they're still a thing, but now they live online. Before you check out from any online store, take a minute to do a quick Google search for coupons. You'd be surprised how often you can find a code for free shipping or a percentage off your order. So channel your inner bargain hunter and start buying in bulk and using coupons. Your wallet and your pantry will thank you. Boom! There you have it, fam. 5 super simple, super effective ways to save money on shopping. And the best part is, these tips work whether you're shopping online or in person. So, no more excuses. It's time to level up your saving game and keep that bank account happy. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome life hacks. Until next time, stay savvy, stay stylish, and keep on saving that money. Peace out.